Look at that, guys. I don't think I've seen so many seagulls all in one place. Oh, that's a short version. Have a look at that. Can you see them? They're just on the rock pool there. If I had my galoshes or Wellington boots or water boots, whatever it is you call them, I probably could have got closer. But for those that have been following the channel for a while, this is the closest I've ever got to any birds, and they haven't flown off or flown away. I wish they would now, because they'd make a nice little pattern in the sky. But anyway, it's Dee's village. Peace out, Kairo, Magan. Oh, there's a bit of fluttering there. A bit there.